When you think about staying healthy after 60, what comes to mind? Probably blood pressure, cholesterol, or maybe those creaky joints, right? But what if I told you one of the sneakiest health threats is something your doctor usually talks about? It's called visceral fat. This isn't the soft, pinchable fat under your skin. This is the deep, internal fat that wraps itself around your vital organs, like your heart, liver, and pancreas. It's a completely different beast. Why? Because it's metabolically active. Think of it like a rogue organ, constantly pumping out harmful substances. In fact, shocking studies from Harvard Medical School have shown that visceral fat can release over 400 different toxic chemicals into your bloodstream every single day. These toxins trigger chronic inflammation, damage your blood vessels, and put a silent, relentless strain on your entire system. It's a major hidden factor behind many age-related health problems. But here's where it gets exciting. You are not powerless against this. There's incredible new research that offers real hope. A landmark study followed 1,847 adults between the ages of 60 and 75. When these seniors followed a simple, structured health protocol, the results were astounding. They were able to reduce their visceral fat by up to 73% in just 30 days. Let that sink in. 73%. And they did it without resorting to exhausting workouts or restrictive, miserable diets. What's even more mind-blowing is what this means for your lifespan. Researchers discovered that losing just 5% of this dangerous internal fat could add an average of 7 extra years to your life. Imagine that, not from some numerical pill, but simply by giving your body the right signals to heal and rebalance itself naturally. So, what I really want you to take away from this is a message of hope. After 60, your body hasn't lost its ability to change. It just needs a different, smarter approach. The methods that worked in your 30s and 40s just aren't effective anymore. In my next videos, I'm going to share the exact evidence-based, age-specific strategies that have been proven to work for people just like you. And here is a little secret to get you thinking. The single most powerful method for shrinking visceral fat has almost nothing to do with traditional diet or exercise. It's something entirely different, and it's surprisingly simple. So, if you've ever felt discouraged, if you've ever thought it's too late to reclaim your health and energy, I need you to stay with me. The science is clear. Your body is still capable of incredible transformation. It can respond, it can recover, and it can thrive at any age. You just need the right key to unlock that potential. Have you ever wondered why that stubborn belly fat seems to stick around no matter what you do, especially after 60? Well, today, we're diving into 5 science-backed strategies that are absolute game changers for targeting that dangerous visceral fat. And the best part, they don't involve endless crunches or extreme diets. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about one of the most overlooked, yet powerful, tools for burning visceral fat after 60. Strategic protein timing. You see, after we reach our 60s, our bodies just don't process protein the same way they did when we were younger. The cells responsible for repairing and building muscle, process called muscle protein synthesis, become less responsive. This means even if you're eating enough protein overall, your body might not be using it effectively unless you get the timing and amount just right. Think about it this way. Your muscles are like a construction crew that needs a specific amount of materials to start working. If you don't send enough, they just sit around. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults over 60 need around 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to really kickstart muscle growth and metabolic activation. When you hit this protein threshold at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you keep your metabolism firing on all cylinders all day long, burning more calories even when you're just sitting on the couch. So, why does this matter so much for visceral fat? Because muscle tissue is your body's natural fat-burning engine. Every single pound of muscle burns about 50 calories a day just to exist. A pound of fat, it only burns about 2. That's a huge difference. This means if you protect and build your muscle, you automatically burn more visceral fat without any extra effort. Here's a simple way you can start putting this into practice tomorrow morning. Begin your day with at least 25 grams of protein. Things like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a quality protein smoothie are perfect options. For lunch and dinner, aim for a palm-sized portion of lean protein like fish, chicken, or tofu, and then add in some beans or quinoa for a balanced plate. A great meal prep tip is to boil a batch of eggs or cook some lean meat ahead of time. That way, you always have a protein source ready to go. Think of this as teaching your body to burn fat on a schedule. By feeding your muscles at consistent intervals, you're sending your metabolism a daily reminder. Keep burning, keep building, and keep protecting your organs. Alright, moving on to our second strategy. This one is absolutely fascinating and backed by some incredible science: temperature manipulation. I know it sounds a bit futuristic, but it's all about how mild cold exposure can help older adults burn more visceral fat naturally. Inside your body, you have two main types of fat: white fat and brown fat. White fat is the stuff that stores energy, and this includes most of the visceral fat we're trying to get rid of. Brown fat, on the other hand, is like your body's built-in heater. It actually burns calories to generate warmth. And here's the magic: when your brown fat is active, it literally pulls energy from your white visceral fat to keep you warm, turning that stored fat into fuel. A truly remarkable study found that seniors who spent just 2 hours a day in mild cool temperatures, we're talking around 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 Celsius, increased their brown fat activity by a whopping 45%. And get this, they reduced their visceral fat by 19% within just 4 weeks, all without changing their diet or exercise routine. The beauty of this is that you don't need to plunge into ice baths or make yourself uncomfortably cold. It's much simpler. You can just lower your thermostat a little bit in the evening or finish your hot shower with 30 seconds of cool water. These small changes can trigger the exact same effect. Many people I've worked with report sleeping better, feeling more energized, and even noticing their waistlines shrinking after just a few weeks of trying this. To make it easy, just start gradually. Maybe spend 15 minutes a day in a slightly cooler room, or take a short, brisk walk outdoors when the air is crisp. Over time, your body adapts, and your brown fat becomes more and more efficient at burning visceral fat for fuel. Think of it as teaching your body to relearn one of its forgotten abilities, using temperature to heal itself from the inside out. Now for our third strategy, and this one might surprise you. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. It's called time-restricted eating, and for people over 60, it can be a powerful way to reset your metabolism and dramatically reduce visceral fat. Imagine your metabolism as a 24-hour clock. During the day, your body is programmed to digest, absorb, and burn energy. But at night, it's designed to switch into a different mode: rest, repair, and clean up damaged cells. Scientists call this process autophagy. The problem is, if we're eating late into the evening, our body never gets the chance to fully enter that repair mode. Instead, all that excess energy often gets stored as visceral fat. Researchers at the renowned Salk Institute conducted a study with over 500 adults aged 62 to 78. They found that those who ate all of their meals within an 8 to 10 hour window, say, between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m., lost 47% more visceral fat than those who ate throughout the day. What's even more incredible is that these results happened without them cutting calories. They just aligned their meal times with their body's natural rhythms. Here's how you can easily start. Begin with a 12-hour eating window for the first week. For example, you might eat between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Then, you can gradually shorten that window by 30 minutes each week until you reach a comfortable 10-hour window. A key tip is to finish your dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. This gives your digestion time to complete and allows your fat-burning hormones to activate while you sleep. Many older adults who try this say they notice better sleep, more stable energy, and a smaller waistline in just a few weeks. Remember, this isn't about starving yourself, it's about healing yourself. By giving your body that dedicated time to rest between meals, you're restoring your natural metabolic rhythm and allowing it to burn visceral fat efficiently, even while you sleep. So there you have it, 3 powerful science-backed strategies to help you conquer visceral fat after 60. Strategic protein timing, mild cold exposure, and time-restricted eating. I encourage you to try one, or even all 3, and see how your body responds. Alright, let's dive into part 4. And we're talking about one of the most underrated tools for losing that stubborn visceral fat: soluble fiber and prebiotics. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fiber, isn't that just for staying regular? While that's true, certain types of fiber can actually reprogram your metabolism, especially after you hit 60. This isn't just my opinion. researchers at Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center made a fascinating discovery. For every 10 grams of soluble fiber eaten daily, participants shed 3.7% of their visceral fat over 5 years. But here's where it gets really exciting. When they combine that with prebiotics, the reduction shot up to an incredible 8.4% in just 3 months. So, what's the magic behind this? It's pretty cool. Soluble fiber creates this gentle, gel-like layer in your gut. This layer slows down how quickly sugar is absorbed, which prevents those sharp insulin spikes that tell your body to store fat. But it also does something else. It feeds the good bacteria in your intestines. These little guys produce something called short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, and butyrate essentially sends a message to your body, saying, hey, let's burn that visceral fat for energy instead of holding on to it. So how can you put this into practice? Here's what I recommend to my older patients, and it's simple to follow. Start your day by mixing a tablespoon of ground flaxseed into your smoothie or oatmeal. Make sure it's freshly ground to keep all those powerful nutrients intact. Then, before lunch, take about 3 grams of glucomannan, which is konjac root fiber, with a big glass of water. This fiber gently expands in your stomach, helping you feel full, control your appetite, and kickstart those fat-burning signals. For dinner, try to include a cup of beans or lentils. They're packed with natural soluble fiber and great plant-based protein. If you want to take it a step further and get even better results, add some natural prebiotic foods to your meals. Things like garlic, onions, and Jerusalem artichokes are fantastic. They nourish the healthy gut bacteria that fortify your metabolism. Think of it like you're rebuilding a fat-burning ecosystem. Right inside your gut, an ecosystem that works for you 24/7, silently reducing visceral fat and protecting your heart, liver, and brain with every single meal. Now, for our final and maybe most powerful strategy. This one doesn't require any supplements, diet changes, or even exercise. All it requires is your breath. It's called controlled breathing with vagus nerve activation, and studies show it can reduce visceral fat even more effectively than many other lifestyle changes. Here's what's happening inside your body. When you feel stressed, your cortisol levels shoot up. Cortisol is your body's stress hormone, and when it's chronically high, it tells your system to store fat around your vital organs as a form of protection. The tricky part is, after age 60, our cortisol levels tend to stay elevated for longer, leading to that persistent visceral fat. But here is the amazing news. You have the power to change this. By activating your vagus nerve, a long nerve that runs from your brain down to your organs, you can literally switch your body out of stress mode. This sends a signal to your system to start releasing that stored fat. Don't just take my word for it. A clinical study at the University of Copenhagen followed nearly 900 adults between 60 and 79. They found that the group who practiced 15 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing twice a day lost 42% more visceral fat than the group who did UNT. And get this, both groups ate and exercised exactly the same way. The only difference was the breathing. So, how do you do it? It's incredibly simple. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Now, inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. As you do this, focus on making sure only your belly rises and falls, not your chest. Try doing this for 15 minutes in the morning right after you wake up, and then again in the afternoon, maybe between 3 and 5 p.m., which is when cortisol naturally tends to spike. Most people start to feel a difference within a week. You'll notice a calmer mood, easier breathing, better sleep, and yes, even a flatter midsection. Think of this as your daily reset button. With every single slow, deep breath, you're not just calming your mind, you are actively training your body to burn visceral fat and restore its natural balance from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching and investing this time in your health. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. If you've made it this far into the video, I really want you to hear this. Your age does not define your health. How many times have you heard that after 60, things like fatigue, gaining weight, or stubborn belly fat are just a normal part of getting older? I'm here to tell you, that's simply not the whole story. The truth is, your body is still incredibly capable of amazing changes. It just needs the right signals and a little bit of consistency to get there. Over my career, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of patients in their 60s, 70s, and even their 80s who completely turned their health around, and they didn't do it with crazy, extreme diets or a long list of new medications. They did it by learning to rebuild trust with their own bodies. It all started when they began applying 5 key strategies. We focused on balanced protein timing, introduced some mild cold exposure, practiced time-restricted eating, added more soluble fiber with prebiotics, and worked on controlled breathing techniques. And when they did, something truly beautiful happened. Their energy levels shot back up, their waistlines started to shrink, their blood pressure and sleep quality improved dramatically. But most importantly, they felt hopeful about their health again, which is a powerful feeling. The science on this is crystal clear. That dangerous visceral fat, the fat around your organs, is not a permanent fixture. In fact, it responds to positive changes faster than any other type of fat in your body. Every single time you choose to eat the right kind of breakfast, take a few deep calming breaths, or give your body that overnight rest from food, you are sending a signal. You are teaching your body to heal itself. You're actively protecting your heart, your brain, and your precious independence for the years to come. So, how do you start? Just start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick just one of these strategies. Maybe it's the breathing. Maybe it's changing your breakfast stand. Make it a part of your day tomorrow morning. Then, once that feels natural, maybe next week, you can add another one. What truly matters isn't how fast you go, but that you stay consistent and you believe in your body's ability to change. Your health is your story, and it is never, ever too late to write a better, more vibrant chapter. Thank you so much for watching, for caring about your health, and for choosing to walk this journey with us here on the Healthy Path. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Stay consistent, stay curious, and always keep moving forward. Your best years can absolutely still be ahead of you.